place closer to work. Then I connected with Jenn. It was a great relationship from the beginning. It was very open. I told them what I wanted and what I was looking for, and they were very helpful. There was a few bumps that we encountered, and even with all those bumps, they were always very supportive. They were really proactive with what I was looking for. When we found it, it was like it happened within like 2-3 weeks. We were able to knock it out, but just in time before my lease in my apartment was due. So it was such a roller coaster process, but it was really great. I felt very confident with them. There's a lot of anxiety when you don't know what's going on and you don't know who your realtor is, and you want someone that is going to represent you and be able to fight for like what you need. I met them 4 years ago. I've kept in contact with them. Every year we all celebrate our birthdays around the same time. We all text each other, we send each other stuff, and they're not only like a realtor, but they became like friends. So it's a great experience. So I always recommend people when they're like, even friends that I've met here, they're starting to look for houses. So I always recommend them because it's such a great, easy experience. It wasn't stressful at all, and it was just easy.